All right, ladies and gentlemen, today is the 13th of July, 2023, and we are going to take a look at this trade that we just took on Square. Have you ever wondered, like, man, if I could just walk away, take a trade, and get out at my target and not have to sit there and watch it the whole entire time? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that really quick. This is your order right here. All I did was simply say I wanted to sell my trade. And what TOS does not show you is that there is something right there. And you wouldn't know unless you came over here and just, got lucky and was like, hey, what is this thing? You click on it, this pops up. This is going to show you my position, okay? And what I could do is I could program it to get out at a certain level. So I could see that price is at 74.21. So I'm going to do this really quick. First thing I'm going to do is select how many I want to sell. So I'm just going to sell one at this very moment, okay? Then I'm going to come down here and instead of limit, I'm going to hit trail stop, okay? And then right here where it says stop link to, it's going to be mark percentage. And what this is saying is let's do 3%, okay? 3%. And I'll show you what this means here in a second. This is 3%. I'm going to sell one of my positions. And right here, you wouldn't know that you need to do anything here either. I hover over it, I click, it fills in Square for me. I wanted to get over my target, greater than or equal to, and then I need a target. So let's just say 74.35, just really quick. Okay, 74.35, just like that. And what it's saying is if the price of Square goes over 74.35, I'll stay in the position, but it will not sell unless the underlying option price drops more than 3%. So that means if my position's up 20% and then it comes down, it should get me out for 3% less than that. So 17%. The plus sign of this is if it skyrockets up to the upside, okay, and say it goes up to 40% really quick, and then it drops 3%, I'll be out at 37%. All right, so we'll change the numbers around. Let's see, we'll go a little bit lower to see if we can demonstrate this. And let's do 74.2. There it is. Boom, boom, boom. And I'm going to hit save. It's going to save. I'm going to hit confirm and send. I'm going to send. Okay. Now, what you're going to see on here is your position. This is your option position right here. Okay. It's over 74.20. And then we're going to pull the trading room down here. Okay, if I can. The cool thing about our trading room is that my brokerage is linked to the room. Okay, so as soon as I get stopped out, it should pop up in here. Notice we're over the price of what we set it on the option and the price is still here. So what we know is that price hasn't dropped below that 3% so far. All right, so we're up 38%. We're at 40%. Now, I could do this with one option. I could do it with three. I could do it with two. It's up to you. And the cool thing is, once I get into a trade, folks, I can leave my office. Okay? You guys can still see my screen, right? Just make sure. And we are recording. Okay, cool. All right, nice push here. We're at 47%. Now, one thing also that you can do is that you can make sure, okay, that this is going to be right. Because if I'm noticing right now, we're up 51%. All right. If I see that thing drop below 45%, something's wrong and I want to hurry up and get in there and get out of the trade. Okay. Lori, we're already in square. Are you telling us to look at it? Yes, I can set it to yes. You can go back in there and notice when I picked one, when I said one, right? So now what I'll do is I'm gonna go in here, okay? I'm gonna set another one, okay? You could do it the same way, okay? I'm not gonna do it because I don't want to miss out on the make sure this thing gets filled, okay? All right, we're at 55%. Boom, there it is right there. Check it out. Boom, 48%. That was awesome. It worked just right. Okay? Worked just right. It's exactly what we want to see. And what a great demonstration of the valuable technology that we have here at Simpler Trading to show you that the brokerage account is linked straight to the room, which is super awesome. And this is how it works. And Sasha, you are welcome for me to trim Twilio. That's kind of the effect that I have sometimes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Now what you could do is you could come in here. We could do it again if you want. All right, so just to kind of show you some more. So let's say we're going to sell some more. Actually, how many more do we have left? So now what we could do is we could put 2 on a stop. Actually, I'm going to do a trailing stop. Okay, so this is another way I could show you how to do something. Okay, now we're going to do a trailing stop. All you do is come right here, and I'm going to hit limit. I'm going to do a trail stop, and let me see if I can make this a little bit bigger for you guys. I'm going to do a trail stop of 10 cents. Okay, and I'm going to do 2 on these. So 2, I'm going to hit confirm and send. Make sure it says trail stop. It does. Mark is at 10 cents, which means $2. Okay, that means $2. Does anybody not understand that? So what this is saying is when I put a trail stop on, if the price of the option was $1.50, what's going to happen is same thing, but I don't have to program anything, and there's not a target included. All I'm saying is from this point, if the underlying option price drops 10 cents or $10 per option, it's going to close this particular trade. Okay? And this is fun too. I mean, it's the same idea, but there's no target. And give me 1 second. I can't. I'm trying to find the room here. I apologize. I somehow minimized it. There we are. Okay. Oh, and there we are getting out. We get 52%. Okay, 52%. That means we were actually up more than that. We were up more than that at some point. Okay. Now we have runners, so we'll just leave those on. Andy Murphy said, why $2? I'm not sure what Andy, what are you talking about there? Actually, I can set ES futures to do certain things like that as well. Yeah, baby. Look at crowd go. We're already back. Who gave up on crowd yesterday? Tell the truth. So the big takeaway here, just really quick, I want to show you guys how you could do that. So I'm finished showing you that, and I'll record that, I'll upload it, and you guys can watch it for future reference.